Ranveer is there at the spot, which is the iconic area right at the center of Ayodhya. It's not just the devotees who are there, Ranveer, but also the VIPs who are coming. The Prime Minister is there. And today, from what we can see, the security in particular is exceptional given what has happened in the country in the recent past.
Yes, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Ayodhya in a couple of minutes, and if we talk about VVIPs, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is in Ayodhya. He arrived yesterday. CM Yogi Adityanath, he also arrived yesterday, and he is at Saket Mahavidyalaya to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And if we talk about VVIPs, some of the VHP leaders, they are here in Ayodhya and they will attend the ceremony today. And you can see the preparations. This is Lata Mangeshkar Chowk, very nearby place to Ram Ki Paidi. And if you talk about the excitement, so many people who wanted to visit Ayodhya are stopped near borders because of security reason. And if we talk about security arrangements after Delhi blasts, the security is multi-layered. Prime Minister will be in 7-layer security. And if we talk about the Ram Path, which goes to Ram Temple, that area is entirely covered, and not a single vehicle is allowed to move there. Only Prime Minister's convoy will be taking that will start from Saket Mahavidyalaya and reach the Ram Temple. And after reaching Ram Temple, Prime Minister Modi will attend a small puja, and after that he will pray at Ram Lala's statue. He also visit Ram Darbar, and he will also visit the Saptarishi temples, which is on the boundary walls of Ram Temple. So Prime Minister Modi will be in Ayodhya. The excitement is very high because this is the end of the sacrifices of those who follow Sanatan Dharma. So you can see these people, they are obviously they are not allowed to roam here and there, but due to excitement they are staying in Ayodhya and they want to visit temple, but due to VVIP protocols today no one can enter the Ram Temple premises because of security reasons. So the people of Ayodhya, they are witnessing the changes, the development, the infrastructural changes in Ayodhya because of Ram Temple. So obviously completion of Ram Temple is very, very big, very, very significant for the people of Ayodhya. And now from tomorrow onwards, everyone can visit each and every place in the Ram Temple premises. From tomorrow, they will be allowed to visit Ram Darbar also. They will be allowed to roam in the premises. So the devotees, they are very much excited. They are here in Ayodhya. They are waiting to get permissions to reach in the Ram Temple. And this is Lata Mangeshkar Chowk, which is a very significant place. And
you know why this is significant and why it has been named after Lata Mangeshkar. That is also a very interesting story, which we'll tell you in just a bit. And taking us through this journey today